Weirdos.
Look at a pigeon on top of it.
It's a pigeon. It's the Mississippi River. Shark. Oh no, there's a shark. It's gonna eat you. He's playing guitar. It's a hobo playing guitar. I'm from my mom. That hobo was playing guitar. Maybe he should give me some lessons.
Look.
Big boat. It's the Puffin.
Either way, because that's Jack's Brewery right there.
No.
There's the Hard Rocks right there.
Right there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think that,
She
but it's
thinks
too
to
early to
herself.
go.
We'll just
eat,
walk
huh?
down this way anyway.
And then go walk down in front of Jack's Brewery and stuff, and then walk back in a little while.
Can we go talk to the hobo?
Ask him, say, if I become a hobo, can I learn how to play guitar?
Yeah. Can you teach me some chords if I become a hobo?
Yeah, because I don't, you don't have nothing to do.
You know, there used to be all kinds of stuff in Jack's Brewery, but I think I'm going to play today.
Hey, look, there's another hobo. He's not bad for a
It's
hobo.
hot.
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Oh no.
We ain't gonna be doing too much walking.
It's really cold out here, you guys.
You what?
It's cold out here.
Cold?
Yeah,
She's lying.
really cold. It's freezing. It's hard to believe there's not ice. It should snow. That's what it should do.
What is that?
It's a video camera.
Huh?
It's my iPod. I'm recording
Recording what?
my face. Is it a hard rock? Is that what they're displaying in there? Is it a rock?
No. Rock and roll.
I think she knows what it is.
It's a really hard rock that no one can break.
Yeah.
Is that what the problem is?
You don't want to go this way? Go look around here? What time is it though?
10 till 11.
Yeah. We're gonna give at least till 11.